Hello my friends, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me today. I don't have a tutorial. I'm going to show you page by page the album that I made for 49 and Market. I made the cover album tutorial. If you haven't seen yet, I will let you the link here or here and in the description box down below. I also let you in the description box the link to the 49 and Market blog post, in which you will find the list of all the supplies that I use to make this album. And before I show you the album, I want to invite you to subscribe to my channel and to click the bell to receive all the notifications every time that I upload a video. Well, my friend, I'm so excited to show you this. Let's get started. Mwah. Well, my friends, I hope that you like this project as much as I do. Here are all the pages and you can see the details. I will let you the same photos on my Instagram and on my Facebook too. in case that you want to take a closer look at all of the detail. I will let you down below all the links related to this project, and any question, any comments, please let me down below. And here are 2 more videos that maybe you are interested. I see you soon with a new video tutorial. So take care. Nos vemos. Bye bye.